Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello everyone, yes, welcome to my sink. It's been a while since we do something here at my sink, but I decided to repot my new plant here because there's a bunch of mosquito outside and yes, it's munching my legs so bad, and that's why we're going to repot my little babies in here. So without further ado, let's start. So like here I have right here I have my soil. Yes, that's my premix soil. I mix this one. It has a perlite and a potting mix. What's going on with me? So, and I am going to use these. I have my garden cloth. I'm going to put it there to hold the soil so it don't go away in the pot. And this is a hanging pot. So this is a trailing plant, so I'm going to just put it here and hang it. So anyway, let's just move this here first and deal with the plant. So this is my silver pothos. That's the full name of it. Yaps, it's a Scindapsus Pictus Argyraeus. It's so hard to pronounce these names. But that's my plant, so I have to practice to say those names. So I'm just going to remove this here, and I will not remove the soil if the soil is good. But oops, I'm so clumsy today. And let's put his here. If you remember, I have bought a pot of it last year, if I'm not mistaken. It's last year or 2019, but something happened to it. It died. So that's why when we go yesterday in Walmart, I decided to get two of it again because I've seen there's a bunch of it there, and they're all growing so nicely. They're all like this, but I've chose this one because some of the leaves of the ones that are there are kind of bad. If you can see, I have one here that has bad, see, but that's all right because that's a old leaf, and I have a bunch of growth here. These are actually just a cuttings. They trim it from their mother plant and they just rooted it. So that's how they are. Okay, let's examine the root system first before I decide to put just like it. Oh, look how nice the roots are. So I am not going to disturb the roots because if you remember last time I removed the potting soil, and I think that's my fault because I should not did that. But anyway, this one I'm not gonna do anything from the root. I'm just going to pot it just like this, or maybe I'm going to, yeah, just gonna do like that because look at that. All right. Oh, it's not cooperating. Oh, all right. They wanted to do that, so it's easier this time. Oh, look at this. Maybe that's why it's not holding that soil so much. This one doesn't have a growth yet, but it's gonna grow something here because that's the node. So I'm just gonna put it there all together. But ooh, there's another one. So it's still going to grow. So I have, oh, these 5 ones are the ones that are really rooted so much. So I'm just gonna put it here like so. I'm just gonna do it like this. That way it's already going to hang like that. They're gonna grow just like it. There you go. Okay. Okay. Let's put that there. So I have this, and I am going to put it at the middle. So when it grows, it's going to grow at the middle, and then they're going to push it right to the side of the pot. So there's another one. Let's see what's going on in here. Look at the roots. It's already growing outside. Ooh, they both has a nice root system. So let's just do it just like I did at the first one. All right. Ooh, I broke this poor thing. I broke it. I just want to see if there are ones that doesn't have leaves yet. Oh, that has that. Yeah, you can't see it when you're at, ooh. Oh no, he got rotted. See that? It's rotted. So I don't know where it came from, but this is no good anymore. Let's just take it off here. So all of this one has a growth already, so that's why they're not getting off from each other. So I'm just gonna tease it like so. I think just put this at the middle. I think this is where the roots get pulled. So just put it just like so. Uh-oh, where's the holes? Okay, that's the hole. That's the hole. So I have 4 holes from this pot. I need to make sure that the hole is not hidden. That way I don't make a mess later when I'm about to hang it. So there we go. All right, oh, that's it. Hole here. Okay. Put more soil. Yeah, their soil is still good. That's why I just decided to just put it there. So okay, let's see. I need to put soil here too. See the roots? That's why I need to put more soil. My soil is not wet, that's why I'm packing it. But normally I don't pack it if my soil is wet already, because it's not good to pack that soil. So here we are. We have a pot that is so full of growth, and this one I'm going to put at the middle. It's actually here. Okay. Yeah, I want it to be bushy. That's why I bought two pots of that. So when this one grows, it's gonna grow here at this side. It's going to push the growth at this side. Even this one here. So that's my silver pothos. Now if this would grow so vigorously, I am going to trim this and add some more at the middle. That way I have a real bushy part of it. So yeah, it's all right to get a little bit of dirt on top of the leaves because I'm going to water it anyway, so it's going to be clean later. Plus they're gonna grow outside, and it's been raining and raining all the time, so they'll be growing so good outside too. I forgot to put a soil in here. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for watching my repotting video, and I hope you like it. So that's how it's gonna look outside. And I'm just going to put, when we bought this pot, it has a macrame hanger, so I'm just gonna put it later and hang it outside. So thank you so much everyone for watching my video all the time, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.